how to add a Visa gift card to Amazon. So if you want to add a Visa gift card to Amazon and you're quite confused as to how you should add it, well, I will clear the doubts for you. Now, first you go to your Amazon app or your browser and you just go to the checkout process. So I will assume that you're on the checkout process. During the checkout process is where we want to get all this set up. So on the checkout page, what we do is you can normally see option called paying with my current card or use a gift card via voucher or promo code. So first I will just click on the change option to show you what options I have here. Now, normally, I say normally, if it is a normal gift card, right, like an Amazon gift card, you would actually redeem them by entering the gift card code here and clicking the apply button that says enter a gift card. But it is not an Amazon gift card. It is a Visa gift card. So you have to add it as any other normal credit or debit card. So just like how I've added one of my Visa cards here, the other one you have to add it by simply clicking on add a credit or debit card button. And you have to actually add that Visa gift card as a normal payment method. So first you simply enter the card number right here. So go ahead and enter the card number, right? And once you have the card number, enter your expiration date and your whatever year you have. Now you must be wondering, what do I type in the name on card? Well, there are three options that I can suggest to you. The first option you can try is just type in gift card in all of the capital letters. So type in gift card and then simply put the name on the card and click on add your card and see if that works for you. If it doesn't, type the second option, which is a gift for you. I repeat, a gift for you. So type in this second option as a name and then click on add your card. Last but not the least, just try to leave it empty. And when you try to leave it empty, just leave it blank and then click on add your card. See if those works for you as well. So one of these three should definitely work for you to add a Visa card. So I repeat, if it is an Amazon gift card, you would redeem them from the redeem gift card page. But it is a Visa gift card, so you have to treat it like a normal credit or debit card. I hope this video helps you out understand the things. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon as always in the next video.